Hey everybody, Rich at our Motor Diag, and we've got a Hyundai with no horn. Right, so this is a little i10, and when you press it, I don't know if you can hear the clicking noise, but I can hear a relay clicking. Quickly go through this, and we'll see if we've got any live data. To be honest with you, I have no idea right this second where that goes through. Obviously a relay by the sounds of it. We'll do a quick scan on it, see if there's anything interesting. I doubt it, and then we'll work our way down to the horn and see if we've got power there, ground there, or however it works. Don't know if it's single wire or twin wire. It's taking a while. No, we got nothing on that. Right. Where are we? There. I don't even know what age this is. It's a i10 1.2. Couldn't tell you what age it is. It is a 16-pin connector. Automatically search. Oh, it wants the VIN. Hang on, I'm going to pause this and go get the VIN. And we're back. Smart scan. Let this go through here. I'm guessing there'll be nothing. This is a 2010 i10. Just in case you care. SRS, battery voltage low, not interested. Speed sensors fail, not interested. Mobilizer safety power, so there is nothing of any use there whatsoever. So let's have a look here. Right, so down here we got a fuse box and we got definitely got a clicking. It's a bit awkward with a phone in my hand as well. I don't know what that's going to be looking at. Hopefully, somewhere where I am, I'm going to see if I can feel which one of these relays is actually clicking. Right, don't know if you can see any of that, but I think just by feel, it's this one here. It's all a bit loose in here. Come on. Right, so it's that second blue one down on the left, I think. Yeah, got no clicking noise now. It's only a 4-pin relay, so I'd expect a live in, a live out, and then that's controlled. I guess the horn switch is in the steering wheel, grounds one side of that, and there's probably another permanent live there. Right, we can check that. I'm going to go get a multimeter. Right, okay, so this is the relay that's out, so we've got the 4 terminals there. Now I'm going to kind of just assume at the minute that 2 of these should be live. Yeah, so that one on the far left, so we got 11.89, so we'll should have nothing on that. If we don't, that's just millivolts. We got the top one, 11.89, and then this is the one that would go to ground, so there'll be nothing on that when the horn is pressed. I assume it would. Can I jam this in there? Alright, so if I went on to the ohms reading, and I'm obviously on a ground point, we go to continuity, so there's nothing there. Well, something's happening. So it's trying to go to ground there. When we're pressing it, how good a connection I've got, who knows, but something's happening there, so I'm fairly happy with that. So, and we've got the relay clicking. I'm not going to bother testing the relay right at this point. We'll go under the bonnet and see where our horn is and see what connections we've got there. Obviously, if you thought you had a relay fault, as long as you got your voltage there, you could use a fuse jumper between the two larger terminals on this, and that should set your horn off if you think you've got a relay fault. I don't think we've got that at the minute, so let's go have a look at this horn under the bonnet and see if we've got any power there at all, and see if we've got ground there, and we'll press the button and see if it works. Right, so what I've done is I've got a little bulb set up, and the horn is just down there. The terminals weren't very good on it, but I've just got them clipped onto the wires down the bottom there. Now, if I press the horn on the steering wheel, this should light up. So we've got that lighting, so we know our circuit's intact to there, and it's most likely from that going to be the horn at fault. So if I can pull this out of here, that's the setup on that, just an old bulb holder cut out of a cart, and all I've done is put some little clips like that so I can join it on at different ends or probes or whatever I want. So we've got straight down there, we've got our horn. If I can get down to it without making a mess of this shot. Get my torch around a bit, so I can't see where my hand is. Alright, let's get one side of a power probe. Down here. Right, so that's one side clipped on. And if I can just get the other side of the probe down in place. Right, that's on the other side of it. I think we might have a horn issue here. It did sort of make one little beep. Maybe with a tap it might go again, but I think we've got a horn issue there. We've proved the rest of the circuit, so this is going to need a horn. I'll have to put some new terminals on the end of these wires because they're all horrible and they pulled away. They've been changed before for these like red blue car type connector things like these. So we'll get a new horn on that, and then they'll be back on the road and we will get their MOT, I guess. Cheers guys, see you in the next one.